We saw previously how we can connect our Android device to a target computer and have it fool that computer that my device is a keyboard, then execute certain commands to add a username and password and connect using a remote desktop. Then we saw the PowerSploit option where we actually inject a Metasploit payload and then have a reverse Meterpreter connection, which allows us to do a lot of cool stuff on the target machine. Basically gives us full access to the target machine. Today we're gonna have a look on another flavor of the HID keyboard attack, and this is the Ducky scripts. First of all, Rubber Ducky is a USB device that you connect to a computer, and when you connect it, it runs certain commands exactly the same way that we do it when we connect our Android device. So it's very similar to the HID keyboard attack. The difference is there are a lot of Ducky scripts out there that already made, so you can copy and paste them and use them straight away. And also you can write your own Ducky scripts. So I'm gonna put links for the payload generators for already existing payloads and for resources on teaching you how to write your own Ducky scripts on the resources. It's actually really simple writing Ducky scripts. We're gonna have a look on them in the next video. So you can use existing Ducky scripts, or you can write your own Ducky script, or you can use the payload generator. So let me show you here. So that's the DuckyScript website, the DuckyScript toolkit. So you can use the payload generator here on their website only by going on create payload. And then you can just basically tick what you want to do. So you can do information gathering here, such as doing a port scan, just computer information, user information, USB information, all that kind of stuff. And here you can add a user, you can enable remote desktop, you can delete a Windows update, you can get a reverse shell, here create a reverse shell. So you can do all that stuff, but we've already done this. We've already made a user and added it to the user using Kali, and we already made a PowerSploit and got a reverse connection. So all the cool stuff in the payloads, we've actually already done them, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do something else in the next video. You can also go on the help here, and then we can go into the syntax guide, and that will basically show you how you can write Ducky scripts. So for example, if you write GUIR, then that means it's going to show you the Windows run box where you can run CMD or put something. So for example, here it's put in a string CMD, then it's running CMD, and then they're going to get the command prompt, and then you can run commands in the command prompt. So it's exactly like the keyboard attack. Your device will be pretending that it is a keyboard, but you have more flexibility and you have more options, more things that you can do. Also, the keyboard attack works on Linux and OS X systems, and we saw that Kali NetHunter doesn't allow us to do a lot of things automatically with them. So using the Rubber Ducky, you can actually write your own script for OS X or for Linux, and just write the commands that you want to run on the target machine. So you have here a few examples, and I'll also show you how you can write your own script. Now in the next video, I'll show you a download and execute script, which allow us to download a certain file and execute it on the target machine simply by connecting our Android device.